Now it takes me to image compression. Image compression is a process converting an image file in such a way that it consumes less space than the ordinary file. There are many approaches to image compression, but they can be categorized into two fundamental groups. One is lossless compression and the other is loss compression. So, lossless compression is also known as bit preserving or reversible compression. In this kind of compression, the reconstructed image after compression is numerically identified to the original image on a pixel by pixel basis. In this approach, no information is compromised. So, lossy compression. It is also known as irreversible compression. In this approach, the reconstructed image contains degradation as compared to original image. Therefore, more compression can be achieved as compared to lossless. The image compression is done to keep the image suitable to various file format, reduce the disk space and to use it in multiple platforms. A reduction of the time required to send images on the internet is also achieved with the help of image compression. There are different methods to reduce the size of an image, like particularly the file format like JPEG and GIF method is commonly used to compress photos. JPEG is usually used for photograph and GIF is used for line art. These methods ensure higher compression ratio compared to other commonly used format like JPEG and GIF. In JPEG, the image quality is seriously affected by its compression. On the other major disadvantage of JPEG format is also on its compression. The lossy compression that JPEG format possesses can make an image into the stage of artifacting. Artifacting is the way in which the certain part of image turning to block like structure. Always make sure not to use high compression setting while saving images in JPEG to avoid this. This leads me to another caution which you should exercise when you are using JPEG. When JPEG is opened, then it becomes an uncompressed format, and again when it is saved, it recompresses itself. So, this compression and recompression and decompression actually degrades the image to a high degree. So, if you are using a JPEG image and you have embedded it in your Word file and you are writing a big thesis, your autosave feature in your Word file would be resaving the same JPEG few thousand times, and that would degrade the images to a huge to the huge level. Give you another example. If you take a JPEG and start rotating it, rotate 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, the moment you come back and have a 360-degree, the image would be not recognizable. So, JPEG usually are for consumption, for distribution, no, but not for resaving. The solid graphic colors in the GIF file format come up with an optimum compression technique. This optimum color is availed for solid colors because objects of a particular can be compressed in LZW. It is found that LZW compression can be a bit lossless. At the same time, conversion to only 256 color may be a great loss. The compression of JPEG images can ensure good quality image. The disadvantage of compromising JPEG is that it will not be able to compress exactly. JPEG uses lossy compression. A ratio of 50:1 is possible by compressing images in JPEG format. Lossy compression refer to the loss of image quality during the production process, while the compressing a JPEG image, the algorithm used can reduce the file size of a bitmap image by 10 times. There will be no reduction in quality of the image. While compressing PNG images, it can lose its quality. Make sure to use the technique of lossless compression while dealing with PNG similar to GIF files. Make sure to leave out any blurring or other artifact like JPEG. To ensure that the image quality is not lost while checking photographs, make sure to capture the images using RAW format. The editing can be done at ease with the help of RAW format, and exporting of the images into JPEG will be done only at the last stage of publication. Advantage of image compression: decreases the time taken for the file to be transferred, decreases the chance of error in transmission, enable level of positive surveillance on unlawful online activities, transfer data in bits, saves up storage space. Now, there are lot of disadvantages of image compression. As we have already dealt with someone, I would probably summarize this and say the quality of image may get decreased while compressing it. A high resolution image is lost due to image compression. Security issues: the compression of images and optimization has led into security issues of the browser, including Firefox and Internet Explorer. Stability: the integrity of stability of web browsers are questions while using image compression. The inbuilt web image file format of browsers are affected by this. Support: the support given by operating system are tending to cease with image compression.